guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. Thank you so much for all your beautiful comments on the past two videos. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to reply to every single one, but just bear with me, okay? Because I do work and then other things, so I'm a little busy, so I will catch up on replying to every single comment. But for today's video, we're gonna be making a turkey. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a turkey. I need to be honest, I've never done a turkey in my entire life. For Thanksgiving, it's always my mom or my aunt always prepping the turkey. I just bring dessert or drinks, that's it. I don't do turkeys. But today we have to learn how to make a turkey. So I asked my mom, I asked my aunt, I kind of did a combination of both of the recipes. I got ideas from both of them. My mom did offer to make it for me, but I want to learn. So just like I want to learn, I know some of you guys are going to be making a turkey for the first time and want to learn. So we're going to learn together. So now let's get started with those ingredients. The ingredients are the following. We have bell pepper, lemon, carrots, celery, onion, parsley, butter at room temperature, melted butter. We have honey, achiote, if I'm saying it right, but let me do a close-up. That's achiote. We're going to use a little bit of that. If you cannot find achiote in your store, I will leave where you can substitute it for it in the description box. Then we also have chipotle peppers, pineapple juice, orange juice, and salt and pepper. Of course, our turkey. And I had to buy this because I didn't have anything, like I said. So a flavor injector so we can inject all that delicious flavor into our turkey. Okay, you guys, our first step is to remove everything that's inside your turkey. So let's go ahead and pull this out. And then you're going to pull out the neck, which this doesn't look too nice, you guys, but we have to deal with it. And then there's a little sack with stuff in there. But my mom said we have to save all that, okay? If you guys want to make like your own gravy, you have to save all that. So after you take everything out of the turkey, we're going to go ahead and rinse it really good with water inside and outside. And then this little button, I guess it indicates you when your turkey is ready. But my mom says she doesn't need it, so we are going to pull it out. Okay, so once you rinsed it really good, this part, I don't know if it's from the neck, I think it is, but I'm going to remove it because it does not look pretty. Let's go ahead and pat dry your turkey. So I have about 6 ounces of orange juice, and we're going to add 6 ounces of pineapple juice. Then let's go ahead and squeeze the juice from the lemons. So once we have everything already mixed, let's start injecting our turkey. And I'm going to inject it more like in the areas on the breast because it's always more dry. Okay, so before I moved on with the next step, I went ahead and transferred it into the pan that we will be baking it in. So now we're going to go ahead and inject the melted butter. The melted butter, make sure it is at room temperature. So once you are all done injecting everything, let's go ahead and salt and pepper. Let's make a little rub with the room temperature butter that you have with some honey. So about 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. And all these ingredients, it's good for a turkey in between 12 to 16 pounds. Now, let's rub all the butter all over your turkey because this is going to help for your turkey to get caramelized. Now that your turkey's all full of butter, let's go ahead and start cutting our veggies. So this is celery. It doesn't have to have the perfect shape or size or anything. Let's just cut it up and just put it all around your turkey. The same with the carrots. And let's go ahead and add your carrots. Some onion and bell pepper. Now in the blender, let's add the 8 ounces of orange juice, 8 ounces of pineapple juice, your achiote, it's this amount, it's a little bit, but I will leave it in the description box. It's this one, achiote paste, okay? Let's go ahead and add it. Parsley, small amount. And now Chipotle peppers. I did think these were the whole peppers, but they're not. So I'm going to add like about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to take this to blend. Now your lemon, go ahead and I'm going to put one inside the turkey and the rest just on the side. And I washed them really good, you guys, okay? Always make sure everything is nice and washed. Now, the neck and whatever's inside the little sack bag, I think it's the liver, I don't know what it is. But if you want to make a delicious gravy, you will have to add it back. So let's go ahead and just put it on the sides. Right here. Let's move this out of the way. And now, will you blend it? Pour it all over your turkey. Once your turkey looks all nice and ready to get marinated, we're gonna cover it up with foil paper. I do not use bags because my family never used bags. So we're gonna put foil paper really nice and tight, okay? Because when we put it in the oven tomorrow, because I'm gonna leave this overnight, but I do recommend if you're doing it the same day, you must marinate your turkey early in the morning so it can marinate at least for 6 to 8 hours. But overnight, it's better. So when we cover it up and we put it in the oven, nice and tight, when everything starts steaming up and like boiling, the same juice is gonna just hit the foil paper and it's gonna like shower your whole turkey. So let's go ahead and cover this up. Now that it's nice and tight, covered really good with your foil paper, let's go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for overnight. You're gonna set your oven to 425 for 30 minutes and then we'll lower the temperature. After the first 30 minutes, let's lower the temperature to 350. Okay, you guys, so it's been 3.5 hours My turkey actually looks pretty good, but my mom said 30 minutes before your turkey is completely done to go ahead and get some of this juice. I have a lot of juice, you guys. And then just pour it over the turkey. Leave it back into the oven for like 15 minutes and then check it. But we're gonna put it back in the oven uncovered after you take away the foil. And I did not take out the turkey out of the oven. I just pulled out a little bit, the little racks. So I'm gonna slide it back in there for 15 minutes uncovered. Okay guys, so the turkey is ready. It reached a temperature of 160 already at Fahrenheit. I removed some of the juice, so when I take it out of the oven, you will not have no spills and don't burn yourself, so be very careful. So let's go ahead and remove the turkey out of the oven. Once you remove from the oven, let your turkey sit for a few minutes, at least like 10 minutes before slicing it, so it can like stay moist still with all the juices. But I am removing all the juice that came out of the turkey. So we are all done, you guys. It's my first time, remember, of how to make a turkey. And I think I did a good job for being the first time. Hopefully, we'll get better and better every time we make another turkey. But let's go ahead and give this a try. I did pour some gravy over it. It's store-bought, you guys. I didn't not make no gravy this time. Let's go ahead and give this a try. It's actually very good, you guys. It's pretty good. I like it. Let's see some more. Remember, you can always create it your own way. Make it to your liking. You can add more seasonings, remove seasonings, add whatever you want on your turkey to get the amazing flavors in it. But you guys, this is really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed, and hit the little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video, you guys. And if you guys make a turkey for the first time, let me know. Leave your comments down below. And everybody, please stay safe and happy Thanksgiving. And then we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.